In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Prop Hunt in COD Mobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do to play Prop Hunt in COD Mobile is to see whether or not the game mode is available. Prop Hunt often comes back to COD Mobile, but depending on the time of the year that you check for the mode, you will notice that it is not available, so all that you have to do is make a new lobby, and inside of the lobby, tap the game mode selection option. You will be able to browse through all of the game modes available, and if you go into the feature tab, if Prop Hunt is available when you check, you will be able to start a Prop Hunt lobby and start playing it in COD Mobile. Like I said previously, this mode is available periodically, so first you have to check to see if it is available. If you find it under the featured game modes, you will be able to choose it usually under the name of Summer Prop, and you can play with your friends or solo. You will be able to browse for in the game mode for free, and it is going to be available for a selected period of time. So make sure that you get the proper timing and you play as much as you want. While the game mode is available, all that you have to do, like I mentioned, is to make a new lobby and find the Prop Hunt mode when it is available for a certain period. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Prop Hunt in COD Mobile. If this video helped, you please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips.